You've been questioning a lot of things, including your existence. Dear Capricorns, you've been tired, you've been thinking so much and questioning a lot of things. The anger that you've been holding on to for certain situations in your life, but do not do anything because this is not the right time for you to take any actions or any drastic steps. Just hold on to your anger. Try and resolve your anger, dear Capricorns. I want you to change this energy for yourself. In the comments, I want you to write, I invite miracles. With regards to work, you've been experiencing that nothing is moving. You're tired, you're exhausted. You do not know how to move forward any further. You just feel like you're put on the ground, nothing is moving. But that phase, that thing will end. There has to be a karmic lesson for you to learn. The moment you realize what karmic lesson is it, the moment that awareness comes to you for it, you will see that that situation will start transforming for you. This is a death and this is the end and beginning together. This card actually denotes both of it. So the end of the struggle and the new beginning towards the life, this is my favorite card of the deck. Like I truly resonate with this card, Queen of Pentacles. This talks about all the great things in life. This talks about money. This talks about fulfillment. This talks about all great things, all beautiful things, all glory. And that is what is coming your way. This is going to transform. This is not going to stay as it is right now. With regards to love, some of you who've been trying to deflect the situation, trying to run away, or trying to not really address the elephant in the room, this week also you're not really willing or ready to have that conversation. You want to walk away from that thing. You're not even looking, so this is not the best time for you, or you're not even ready to have that conversation in case of you in a conflict. And if you're single, you have not really moved on from your previous relationship and you're in that unhealed version of you with all the trauma and baggages. You are actually going and looking out for the significant other. So you are going to attract exactly the person you met in the past. It's going to be the different person, different body, but the same behavioral patterns. So before you do some inner work, please do not jump into any relationship, dear Capricorns. Lucky colors for you this week are the shades of blue and red. I am Monica Soni with 10 years of experience into spiritual space. To share this reel, save it and follow for more.